Hey guys, Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and it's raining today, and it's about 46 degrees. But we're doing a service call here on a commercial unit. It's actually a brake shop, and this package unit here is bad. It's probably about 25, 26 years old, but we found the heat exchanger, which is in here. The heat exchanger, the gas unit. You see the gas line right here. That's the gas line, and that fell off. And in here is got the burners, but the heat exchanger is in there, and it's cracked, full of hose. So what that means that every time they turn on their heater, carbon monoxide poisoning goes inside the building. Which is bad. The people get sick, people can pass away, can die because of that here. So the unit also compressor doesn't work. It's got freon leaks. So it did its time. It's 26, almost 27 years old. So we're gonna recommend a new system. Get them up and running because it's cold right now. So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on YouTube at ABC Austin Service Express, and you can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.